I have just over 100 miles now on my new Khaos 9R. It's a 155 with the 325 track. I have a feeling that the track's a little loose, so we're gonna check the track tension right here in the back of the truck, and I'm gonna adjust it if I need to. Grab your owner's manual. It says track tension's on page 158. Notice for 2024, all of the tracks now have the same track tension. Oh, great. So, question of the day, if you know of any good snowmobile lifts that would work with one of these new matrix slash tunnels, the cut tunnel where the track hangs way out, comment below. Yeah, a couple milk crates. I'm gonna get a measuring tape, but to me that looks like way too much slack in that track. So 16 inches. It's about here. It's about the middle of this triangle here. A little Sharpie. Same thing on the other side. Pretty close. I better go side by side. Side by each. We have the weights, 10 pounds, right centered at my 16-inch mark. I'm at 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna go up to 1.25. I'll run it on the loose side. We check the other side. At my 16-inch mark here. Yeah, 1.5. So I need a 16mm socket and loosen that up. And then I'm going to loosen my lock nut and put these bolts in the same number of turns on each side. And then you just always want to check your alignment. If the rail's in the middle on this side of the window, then it should be in the middle on that side. And you can also, once I take the weight out, I can check the distance from the edge of the track to the high fax, and it should be about the same on each side. Lefty loosey. Pretty good. So you need a 16 mil. Loosen off these lock nuts, both sides. Take your 10mm socket, and I'm gonna do a half turn on each side and then check it. So that would be 1/4, so 1/4, half. Check the measurement again, and we're at 1.25. So I'm gonna go in another half turn on each and see what we get. 1/4, half. 1/4, half. Come over here. Check it. And I am right between 1 and 1/4. Check the other side. Yeah, I'm at 1 1/8. So that's good. Tighten your lock nut back up. Same thing on the other side. head back to the manual here. And it says that the idler shaft and bolt should be torqued to 55 foot-pounds. So I might as well do it right. I got a torque wrench over here somewhere. And this is the 3/8 torque wrench. Set to 55 foot-pounds. Torque it up properly. That's it. Do not forget to take your weights out. Hopefully you found that useful. If you have a new sled, you're gonna wanna check your track tension. I have just over 100 miles on this and it was out of spec. It was too loose. I don't wanna run the risk of ratcheting or worse, having these rails here, you know, stab through the front of the track or something crazy. So hopefully you found that useful. Share it with your riding buddies and we'll see you in the next video. Ready to go, except I forgot to take my weights out. Sure, I would have bent something up. Don't forget to take your weights out. I specifically want one of the ones that has a winch on the top and it just goes down with a little hook, grabs onto the bumper, lifts it up. Super convenient. I mean, these milk crates work fine, but I guess I could spend a little bit of money. Don't forget to check your track tension.
Yeah.